Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel AK Coding. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Amazon or Google keep their system running 24 by 7 even when part of their infrastructure failed? That's the magic of availability pattern in the system design. In today's video, we are going to break down the most important pattern that ensures system stay reliable and resilient even under failure. And by end of this video, you have a strong understanding of how to design highly available system for the interviews or real world projects. Let's get started. First thing first, what is availability in the system design? Availability is a measure of how often a system is operational and accessible to the users. A system with 99% availability is down about 3.5 days a year, which is not good for a healthy system. At 99.9%, that is 3 nines, downtime reduces just 8 hours per year. At 99.99%, that is 4 nines, downtime is about 52 minutes a year. That's why big tech companies chase those extra nines. Every minute of downtime means loss of revenue and unhappy customers. In this video, we will discuss 7 key availability patterns. Number 1, failure availability pattern. In failure pattern, if primary system fails, traffic is automatically redirected to the backup. This can be active passive, where backup just wait until needed, or active active, where both systems serve traffic simultaneously. Failure like having a spare tire. It keep you moving when main one bursts. Number 2, replication pattern in the system design. Replication is all about having multiple copies of data across servers. In a master-slave setup, the master handle writes while slave handles reads. In a master-master setup, all nodes can read and write. This pattern ensures that if one database crashes, another can take over seamlessly. Number 3, load balancing pattern in the system design. Load balancing distributes user requests across multiple servers. It prevents one server from getting overloaded. And if a server fails, the load balancer redirects traffic to the healthy one. Think of it as a smart traffic police that always finds the best route. Number 4, redundancy pattern in the system design. Redundancy means having extra components, server, disk, or even power supplies. It eliminates single point of failure. For example, RAID storage uses redundant disk so that if one fails, data is still safe. Number 5, partitioning or sorting pattern in the distributed system design. In partitioning or sorting, data is divided across multiple servers. If one sort goes down, only subset of users are affected, while rest of the system stay up. It is like dividing a classroom into groups. Even if one group stop working, other keep doing. That is partitioning or sorting pattern. Number 6, circuit breaker pattern in the system design. Sometimes calling a failing service repeatedly can overwhelm the system. That's where circuit breaker patterns help. If crosses a threshold, the breaker trips and stops further calls. Instead, it returns a fallback response. Once service recovers, the breaker closes again. 7th, geo-replication or multi-region pattern in the distributed system. Big companies deploy their system in multiple regions or even across continents. If one data center fails, traffic is routed to another region, ensuring user is still getting uninterrupted services worldwide. This is gold standard for the high availability. Let's look at some real world use cases. Netflix, it uses replication, load balancing and multi-region deployment to keep streaming 24 by 7. Amazon, it uses failure and circuit breaker to ensure you can always check out even if some services are down. Banks rely on heavy redundancy and replication to guarantee your transaction never disappear. That is awesome, right? So, to recap, the most important availability pattern in the system design, that is failover, replication, load balancing, redundancy, partitioning, circuit breaker and multi-region deployment. These patterns are the fundamental of highly available resilient system that you can use every single day. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome tech insights video. See you next time. Until then, keep learning and keep designing.